So this is my mobile nursing cart. I feel like third time around, I just know what I'm gonna need, which is a good feeling. So I bought one of these carts. Mine's from Canadian Tire. They have these at IKEA. You can get them off Amazon. And it's a nursing station. So basically, when you're sitting there with a baby who is glued to you and has fallen asleep and you can't move to grab yourself a snack or your water, this should be everything that you need, and you'll just put it beside where you nurse the most. So maybe it's your couch, maybe it's beside your bed or your reading rocking chair, whatever. So here are some things that I thought were necessary. So water for sure. When you're breastfeeding, especially with a brand new baby, you are so thirsty, and you should be drinking lots and lots of water. You're gonna, of course, want your nipple balm and your breast pads. My nipple balm and breast pads. Oh, hello. Oh, you see a bar? Yeah. Snacks for you and your toddler are a good idea. Oh, you want more bars, hey? You're gonna take them all? Excuse me. You're gonna take them all? Snacks are a must. I get so hungry when I'm breastfeeding. Sorry, what I was saying was the nipple balm and the breast pads are from the company One Tough Mother, and they make these postpartum gifts, or these postpartum boxes that make amazing gifts. I have another video about that you can check out. I have my nipple shields. I didn't find I needed these with my second, but with my first, I feel like I probably couldn't have continued breastfeeding without them. I was in so much pain for like 3 to 4 months, I want to say. And then that time got very, very cut short with my second, which is encouraging. I feel like with my third, and I had a 4-year gap between my first and second. So if you really struggled the first time, hopefully that gives you some hope. I put a plant here because plants make me happy. And I find those first couple weeks after you have a baby, sometimes you can feel a little down. It's a big adjustment. And I also put my baby book here because sometimes you lay your baby down and they have a sleep, and it's just like the perfect time to remember to sit there and write and reflect. This one has a beautiful space at the back to write letters to your baby, and you can just kind of record as you go. I put this quote in here. This was from the One Tough Mother boxes as well. Write on your mirror, I had a baby, I'm a superhero. We really forget this, and we're hard on ourselves because we look around the house and see everything we didn't get done. And that's wrong. We need to celebrate the fact that we are keeping a human alive that we just grew and pushed out of our bodies. Okay, the best sleep advice I ever got was to not let baby fall asleep while you're nursing, and to let baby be awake for that and then awake for a little bit of playtime. And in a newborn, that might be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. And then you let them sleep after that, and you just kind of follow that cycle. So not necessarily a schedule, but a routine. And we did this not with my first because we didn't know about it, but with my second, and our second sleep trained himself. And I honestly think it's due to that. So I would put in a few toys here, especially ones with contrast. I know it's popular to have like Montessori, beige colored toys, but newborns have a hard time seeing color, and contrast is what they want to look at. So I would just kind of like wave this in front of baby's face. We could show them a colorful book, something with a little bit of sound, not too overstimulating. So a couple things there. These are booties from Gumi Kids, and they do not fall off. They are for when your mother-in-law comes over and inevitably tells you that your baby is cold. Some extra socks for the same reason, and some little spit up wipes. Also same for Kleenexes. These also help for when you're having those moments after you've had a baby where you're crying and you have no idea why, or you just feel emotional, or maybe your nursing show is a sad one. Down below, I have my book and a book for baby. And then I have my nursing cover, a swaddle. This is the Halo swaddle, and then some other swaddles or burp cloths, and these can be used as nursing covers as well. At the bottom, I have some diapers, a change mat, so you don't have to always come all the way to the nursery. Maybe your nursing station is set up in a different part of your house. Then wipes and just some extra sleepers. This is a gorgeous one from Gumi Kids. It is so soft, you guys. Such a cute color, this olivey sage. And then this sleep sack from Jackson Lennon, which I got at Bonafide online. You can shop them online. It's got the little knot on the bottom.